These are my thoughts on a 5G conspiracy theory and some information to help you out. But first, my name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and let's get some stuff out there so that you understand on which side I'm on. If you believe these ill-informed conspiracy theorists, you need better education. But you know what? The sources will be down below in the description. You can go to tqaweekly.com/SE10EP35 to see the sources there. And this is the lowdown on 5G. 5G means 5th generation, nothing else. It also exists in low band, mid band, and millimeter wave. Low band, low frequency waves are for long range and they are slower. You have mid-band, which is most likely the type that you will be using. However, if you live in a city, you might be able to experience the millimeter wave, which is set between 24 and 72 gigahertz, which unfortunately has a problem passing through walls. And many millimeter waves can't pass through clothing or skin. If you've ever been to an airport, you will know that the millimeter scanners can't pass your skin at all. They can go through the clothing, they can show objects on top of your skin, but they cannot penetrate your skin. Now, as of April 12th, 2020, deployment for 5G exists in 88 countries. Not full deployment, many of them are still testing it. The current pandemic is currently affecting 210 countries. So less than half of the countries that are suffering from the current pandemic have 5G functioning. And many of the hardest hit countries don't have 5G at all. Wireless cellular communication is based in radio frequencies, which is on the lower end of the spectrum. It's actually so non-energetic that visible light, yes, visible light is more energetic. Not considered more energetic, is more energetic. What is more energetic that exists in our daily lives are ultraviolet light, X-rays, and tanning booths. Yes, I said it. We do have things in our life that are energetic enough to cause ionizing damage to our DNA. But it is not 5G because all the frequencies used by cellular towers exist in the radio frequency range and are not energetic enough to cause any damage whatsoever. Now, there are people out there that'd be wondering what would happen if we had ionizing radiation in existence around bacteria and viruses. Well, if you go into my sources, they do have a type of technology which is known as ultraviolet germicidal irradiation. And this is what it is. UV germicidal irradiation functions in a process that destroys nucleic acid and destroys DNA. Did you understand that? It destroys DNA and the nucleic acids, meaning that even we would have a problem being in the rooms at the same time as these devices. And many of these devices are robots that enter rooms and don't clean, sterilize through the process of completely destroying the DNA and the entire cell structure. Therefore, ionizing radiation wouldn't help this pandemic. It would have ended it almost immediately. And this is why, for those out there that don't understand anything about radio frequency, they piss me off because they have no idea what they're talking about, but somehow their friend on Facebook convinced them that it was true. Sources are down below, or go to tqaweekly.com/SE10EP35. Make up your own mind. Be more educated. And of course, stay at home. Like if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes for this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and of course use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games such as The Witcher 3, Assassin's Creed, Odyssey, and many others, go to twitch.tv/zaxis1981 and view the schedule that will be on that page to know when I'll be playing next. Thank you for watching.